Hi children, now we are going to make more new words by placing this, D-I-S, in front of the word. Okay? Today we are building words. Your vocabulary is increasing. Adding a word, this in front of a word, you get completely a new word. And I hope you're going to enjoy this exercise. Let's look at our first word. And we'll put this in front of the word. Look, this. For every word, we're going to add this. Okay? This plus order. This plus order, disorder. You leave the house in a disorderly manner. What is the meaning of that? Put toys here, put drugs here, pussycat here, and books here. So put everything in the wrong place. Then you say, this plus order, disorder. Why is the room in disorder? Spell disorder. D-I-S-O-R-D-E-R, disorder. Good. Let's take another word and place this in front of it. D-I-S, this plus. This plus is, you get a new word, disease. What is the disease? Some illness. Okay? You eat food uncovered from the roadside, then you go and collect disease. Then you stay in bed for many days. Spell disease, D-I-S-E-A-S-E, disease. Kurt. Let's look at another word. Place this in front of it. This plus cover. Cover. Discover. That means you find something new. This plus cover, you discovered. Many people have discovered several new things. Spell discover. D-I-S-C-O-V-E-R. Discover. Kurt. Next word, we are going to place the this in front. This plus. This plus appear. Disappear. Appear is to come. Disappear is just to magical, go away. This plus appear, disappear. You can do magic and make things disappear. Suppose there's water on the table, you put the fan and the water disappears. Right? It evaporates. Spell D-I-S-A-P-P-E-A-R, disappear. Kurt. Let's look at another new word. Add this in front of it. This plus. This plus able. You're able to do many things. This plus able, disable. A person who's got no leg or hand, a disabled person, you say. Oh, you can't walk straight, but to bend and walk, disable. Spell disable, D-I-S-A-B-L-E, disable. Disabled person. Good. Let's look at another word. Add this in front of the word to form a new word. This plus like. Dislike. This plus I like you. But when you put this in front, dislike. I don't like you. I don't like that food. I don't like to dress. I don't like. When you don't like something, you say, I dislike. I dislike playing games. I dislike eating something that you don't like. Okay, dislike. Spell D-I-S-L-I-K. Dislike. Not liking. Dislike. Good. Let's look at another new word and place the this in front of it. This plus agree. Disagree. You agree to do some play together. Then you say, no, I disagree. I don't want to play together. I don't agree to the rules of the game. Spell disagree. D-I-S-A-G-R-E-E. Disagree. Good. Let's look at a new word. Let's place this in front. This plus grace. This plus grace gives you a new word. Disgrace. When you do things that is not proper, then you say, oh, you're a disgrace. You brought shame on the family. Disgrace. Spell disgrace. D-I-S-G-R-A-C-E. Disgrace. Good. Let's go on to a new word. Place this in front. This plus obey. Disobey. Obey, obedient children. Disobey, not to obey. Disobedient. This plus obey. Disobey. We should not disobey our parents. Spell disobey. D-I-S-O-B-E-Y. Disobey. Good. Next, let's take a new word. This we'll put in front. This plus place. Displays. This plus place. Displays. D-I-S-P-L-A-C-E. Displays. That means in it place. Okay, whatever. Displays. D-I-S-P-L-A-C-E. Displays. Let's get on to a new word and put this in front. This plus locate. Locate. This plus locate. Dislocate. Sometimes you play game, your kneecap, or your arm comes out of your shoulder. Then you say there is a dislocation of this bone. Dislocate. Spell dislocate. D-I-S-L-O-C-A-T-E. Dislocate means come out. Dislocate. Good. Let's look at another new word. Place this in front. D-I-S plus. This plus own. Disown. You got a dog, but the dog, you didn't like it. It had some disease or whatever. So what do you? Disown the dog. You throw it out. Or you tell someone to come and take it away. You disown the dog for whatever reason. This plus own. Disown. D-I-S-O-W-N. Disown. Did you enjoy making a new word by adding this? Good.